So we have a lot of students who come with an academic degree, but we feel that they need to be industry ready. So we have a very, very intensive and rigorous program which has been made for them, so that when they are in the industry, they are running, they're not crawling. What we really do with our curriculum is, as soon as they come in, we give them the life skills, which is basically executive presence, communication, which we feel is one of the necessities in the service economy. And like you know, we are only going forward with the experience economy. So we gear them up for that. The management subjects, which are HR, finance, digital marketing, service marketing, data analytics, which is right now considered to be one of the prime areas without which we cannot have any managers in the industry today. These are things which we do module-wise. So it's a rigorous 11-month program where the student joins, does one module for 3 months, followed by slightly advanced module in the second 3 months, followed by a capstone project, which is based on what the student wants to specialize on. And then they go to the industry as a PPO, which we call a pre-placement offer, or else they choose which sector they want to, and we have them placed.